We're taking the nails off to take this shingle off. As you can see, the old one and the new one are not the same measurements. It's about 3 inches off. We're gonna try to install it like that and see what happens. It overlaps about 1 inch on each side. Half an inch down overlap. It's improper. You can see the difference of the old one and the new one. Improper. As you can see, the 3-tab of the old one and the new one, the new one is way bigger. But we're gonna install it like that. The ceiling strip is gonna want to stick into here, into the shingle, and it's not gonna stick right because the new shingle is way bigger than the old one, as you can see.